We collect data for every millimetre of track, and that's helping us to then understand the degradation of the track so that we can begin to understand when it's going to fail so that we can fix things before they break. Insight is our new flagship tool aimed at helping frontline teams move towards a predict and prevent maintenance approach. Insight collates the data that we've collected onto one platform to create a big picture view of the railway and its condition so that frontline and supporting teams know exactly where they need to go to address the problem. And they'll also have a lot more rounded information around what the fault is.
Insight as a technology is revolutionary because it replaces a lot of the paper-based processes and manual analysis that we do in the railway at the moment. For engineers, it means a slicker, quicker way of working. It's about giving them enhanced decision support, not replacing what they do. So it's about bringing extra efficiencies to the way they analyse these problems.
We can send our employees out who need to go and fix this fault, and they can go to the correct location first time rather than going back there numerous times and the fault coming back. I think the future for Insight is massive. If we can get everything in one place, that would be a massive help to us engineers and section managers. What this means for passengers is that if we can prevent faults where we have to put an emergency speed restriction out on track, it means that the passengers are going to get from A to B on time. And not only that, they're going to get there safely.
Well, this is predicted to save roughly 1.3 million hours in maintenance activities per year. It will hugely improve the rail performance, saving around 500,000 delay minutes per year. That's equivalent to 313 days. Network Rail has an ambition to become a more dependable and efficient partner and is committed to achieve 4 billion in efficiencies over the control period. And intelligent infrastructure is a huge contribution towards achieving that.